In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple turmeric and red pepper detox tea that will increase your energy levels, flush your body of harmful toxins, while also burning body fat to aid in weight loss. I will explain the benefits of having this super detox tea as part of a regular diet and how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy detox tea consists of only 5 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1 tablespoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of red pepper, and some boiling water. Once you have all the contents gathered, you can add them to a cup while adding the boiling water, and then mix until you have a consistent texture, while also allowing to cool before you consume. This super simple detox tea is packed full of nutrients that is perfect for detoxing the body, while also helping to boost the metabolism, while also helping to increase fat burning and weight loss. This is a simple drink that won't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised how good it tastes. Get your day off to the perfect start, help to satisfy your appetite while feeling fully energized. If you are looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and having more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to get you started. Again, if you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.